Hello students, good afternoon. This is your live class of English and today we are going to discuss about the fourth lesson of your textbook Vistas. Okay? The name of the lesson is The Enemy. Okay students, this is written by a great American English writer Pearl S. Buck. Okay students, and the story is set at the time of World War between America and Japan. Dear students, that time America and Japan were enemies. Okay, so before that I would like to tell you the characters of the story. The main character of the story is Dr. Sadao. He is a Japanese doctor who went to America for the study of medical science. Okay? And second character is Hana, wife of Dr. Sadao. Wife of Dr. Sadao. She is very kind, very gentle, and always helps her husband. Okay? And third character is Tom, American prisoner. Okay? And the fourth character is General, a selfish old man, a very selfish old man. And next is servants. First one is Yumi, maid, nanny, caretaker of the children of Dr. Sadao and Hana. Old gardener, old gardener. Okay? Servant, gardener. So these are main characters of the story. Dr. Sadao, Japanese doctor who went to America for the study of medical science, and he came back after 8 years. He came back. He went to America at the age of 22 and he came at the age of 30. Okay? And he met Hana in America. Okay? At the house of Professor Horliss, where Dr. Sadao went for the room as a rental room. Okay? And third character is Tom. He was an American prisoner. Okay? And flung out at the doorstep of Dr. Sadao on the Japanese coast. Okay? Dear students, after that, next is General. Dr. Sadao was giving a proper treatment to General, and he was a very selfish officer. Okay? And next is Yumi, the servant, maid, housemaid, and old gardener. So these are the characters of the story. Next we are going to discuss some outlines, some more points of the story Okay? At first I have told you that it was the time of the World War between America and Japan. Okay? And next, in the first paragraph, in the story, at the first of the story, at the beginning of the story, the writer describes about the location where Dr. Sadao lives. Okay, students? So, I would like to tell you that Dr. Sadao, his house was made of stones. His house was made of stones, and it was situated on the Japanese coast. Japanese coast. Okay? And Dr. Sadao was a famous surgeon. He was not only a famous surgeon, but also he was a great scientist. Okay? Next, we are going to discuss some more points. Made of stones, his house was made of stones, and he was playing among the pines, among the trees on the Japanese coast. His father was a traditional man. Serious. He was very serious. And he had a great concern of his son, means Dr. Sadao's education. Okay? He never joked, never played with Sadao. He never played, never joked with his son Sadao. He was very serious and always he was worried about his education. Means we can say that he had a chief concern of his education, of the education of Dr. Sadao. Okay? And Dr. Sadao, when he came after 8 years from America, Dr. Sadao, when he came, his father was alive. And his dream, his father's dream, came to be true. Okay? So, at the beginning of the story, the writer describes about the location where Dr. Sadao and his family used to live. After that, the writer says that his father, Sadao's father, was a traditional man. He was very serious man. He always thinks about the education. He wanted his son become a doctor. Okay? So, he was very serious and has a great chief concern of his education, of the education of his son. Okay? Okay, students? And his father sent to America at the age of 22. Dr. Sadao went to America at the age of 22 to get the education of medical science. Okay? And where Dr. Sadao met Hannah. Hannah, his wife. Dr. Sadao went to America, and one day when he went to the house of Professor Horliss, he met a girl. At first, when Dr. Sadao saw that girl, he attracted to see her. Okay? And he wanted to marry with that girl. But he waited. He met Hannah in America at the Professor Horliss' house. And he waited father's consent for marriage. He did not marry with Hannah. Without senselessly. No. He came Japan. He came Japan after completion his education, and he married to Hannah in the traditional way. He did not want to marry with Hannah without the permission, without consent of his father. Okay, so we can say that he was a very great person. Okay, and after completion, when he completed his education, he came back to his country, Japan. Okay, he came to Japan, and where he married to Hannah in a traditional way, arranged marriage. Okay, and also the writer describes in the story that this is a conflict between head and heart. In this story, the writer describes about the conflict, about the confusion between head and heart. How a doctor decided to operate the patient who was his enemy. Doctor, here the writer describes about the duty of a doctor towards patient and towards country. The first duty to save the life of the patient. In this story, the writer describes how a doctor fulfill his duty as a profession, as a professional doctor. His first duty was to save the life of the patient, no matter his enemy or friend. And the second, conflict, duty towards nation, as a citizen, as a responsible citizen of the country. It was his duty as a citizen to hand over the enemy to Japanese army. And he did. He did accordingly. Okay? So, next, the writer describes that one day Dr. Sadao and his wife, they were talking each other. They were discussing something. They were enjoying at the night on the Japanese coast, the railing. They were standing and talking each other. During that time, at the night, Dr. Sadao and Hannah, they were enjoying and they were talking. same time they saw something blackness, something black image that was coming towards their home. Saw something black come out of mist, fog. Okay? And when they went there, when they reached at the respective place, husband and wife, they saw that the black image was a man, was a person. And the person was in dying state. He was wounded. Okay? When both of them saw deeply, they came to know that the person, the man was a white man. Oh, this is a white man. This is our enemy. They saw on the cap, it was the words, letters written, American Navy. He was the American prisoner, Tom. At first, both of them decided, throw him back. Throw him back. He is our enemy. But being a doctor, he had been taught. At first, the first duty of the doctor is to save the life of the patient. No matter he was enemy or he was friend, the first duty of the doctor was to save the life of the patient. At that time, there was a conflict between heart and head. As a doctor, the first duty towards the patient, to save the life of the patient, and second, he was a responsible citizen of country, and he had to throw him back or hand over to Japanese army. So in this story, the writer describes that the conflict between heart, using of heart and mind. Both of them, Hana and his wife, they were talking each other. We should throw him back. He is our enemy. But both of them did not move because they were human beings. They were doctor. Okay? And this time they did not do anything. Okay? Next, both of them, Dr. Sadao and his wife, they took him, the man, they took him, the prisoner, they took him, the prisoner, to their homes. When they took him in their home, they were very upset. They were very worried. When any person will discover it, what will happen? They were worried. Servant, old gardener, and rest of all, other person. Okay? So at first, Dr. Sadao, his wife, both of them led the person in their father's house, and Dr. Sadao decided to operate him because there was a bullet inside his chest, body. And Dr. Sadao, as a doctor, it was his first duty to save the life of the patient. Made Yumi, his wife Hana, when she said to Yumi for the boiling of water, she refused. She refused. His wife Hana helped her husband during that time. Servant became suspected. They were watching each and everything, what their master was doing. Okay? At last, he operated Tom, the American prisoner, and he saved the life of the patient. Servants, they decided to leave. Servants decided to leave. They decided that they did not do anything. Okay? And Dr. Sadao was very upset. He was confused what to do. One day he decided to inform. General about the prisoner. When he used to get up early in the morning, and when he saw the smile of that person, prisoner, hello, what you are going to do with me? He always became motionless. He always became emotional. He typed a letter and left in drawers. Okay? But at last he decided to inform the general, and one day he told the general about the history, about the story, what he has done with the American prisoner. General said to him, don't worry, I will send my private assassins, murderers, killer, and they will kill him. Don't worry. Okay? And after that, Dr. Sadao waiting. He was waiting 3 restless nights. He was waiting 3 restless nights continuously. But nobody came there. No assassins came there. At last, Dr. Sadao decided to make him escape. And he arranged all the things. And at last, American prisoner went away. Okay? So this is a very emotional story. This is a conflict between heart and head. How a doctor decided to operate, decided to give a proper treatment. A person who is enemy, who was his enemy. But as a profession, it was his duty. It was his duty to save the life of the patient. The doctors always taught that your first duty is to save the life of a patient. Okay? So dear students, the enemy in this story, the writer describes how a father sent to his son in America for the study of medical science, and when he came back to Japan after 8 years, he was a very famous doctor, surgeon, and he became a great scientist. Okay? And how he married with his girlfriend, how he was very responsible. So here in this story, the writer describes duty of a doctor as a doctor towards patient and as a citizen, as a patriot, as a citizen. Okay? Dr. Sadao, how he took risk. Power, position, respect to children, and he gave shelter to an enemy, and he saved the life of the patient by giving him shelter, sheltering him. He took risk. Okay, so thank you, students. Next we will discuss in any other topic.